Today is the 25th of January 2023. It is 7 years ago since I gave birth to my son Jack. He is the reason we decided to move to Australia. I gave birth to him. He was in week, I can't fully remember if it was in week 20 or 21. He had Down's syndrome, and he was our fourth child with DNA anomaly. We have a son that's perfectly healthy, and we had him. My other son, he's 15. We had a terrible choice of deciding if we were going to go through with that pregnancy, knowing that he had Down's, or if we were going to terminate. So it was a choice of either keeping Jack or focusing on our son that we already had. Since we've had several children with DNA anomalies who haven't been applicable to life, Down syndrome is, but you never know before they're born how severe it is, or if they can live a life that is fairly functional. And taking that chance with the son that we already had, that was, was something that we decided we didn't want to take that gamble. So we decided to terminate. And since he was our fourth child that we never got to have in real life, that we just had for a very short period of time in my womb, they're not less real, they're very real still. And I talk to the other girls as well a lot. I've had a lot of conversations with Jack today, and he's a really, really such a ray of sunshine. And this lovable boy made us move. We wanted to honor his memory, so we felt that we needed to do something with our lives since we decided that he wouldn't be part of ours. So we decided to move from one side of the planet all the way around to the other side, so from Sweden to Australia, as far away as possible. Start new, nothing the same, no routines the same. And of course, it was a shock for all of us, and especially my son, who at that point was 9. So today, all my cells are new. I have complete rebuilt my cell structure. I had lots of traumas from that. Not so much the decision that we took, because that decision was really clear. But from the actual place of being where you will have to take that decision, from ending up in that position in life when you're 46, that you have to choose, and you know that's going to be the last pregnancy that you will have. And it created a lot of trauma in me, and after as well. And as much as at one point I lost the ability to speak, and that ability disappeared for quite some time. I started stuttering, and I was very, very stressed. My whole connective tissue. My nervous system was extremely inflamed, and the slightest stress made me stutter for years after. And now my structure is rebuilt. I can feel that I have a lot of new life force flowing through me, and I am really grateful to honor his memory today in love and light.